What are the types of sound masking devices? Some of these sound masking devices are tabletop devices. Now, these are the traditional devices offering various sound options and volume controls, ideal for home use. Then comes the smartphone apps. Many apps provide customizable masking sounds. And lastly comes the hearing aids. Many modern hearing aids include built-in sound masking features beneficial for those with both tinnitus and hearing loss. For more information, visit our website, which is www.aanvihearing.com, or call us on 965839 5839.